Campus Challenge Season 6, a national level challenge open to B School and Engineering College, began the hunt in October 2020 for the hero who will ideate the future. With a reach of 9,43,927 and 35,632 student registrations from 1,700 colleges across our great nation, Hero Campus Challenge Season 6 broke all previous records, witnessing a growth of 300%. The competition, divided into 4 crucial rounds for assessment, began with the online quiz. The idea elevator pitch round was next, where students were required to submit their PPTs in the prescribed format on any one of the following problem statements: electric mobility, application and data for e-vehicle, merchandising, and Hero customer app and sustainability. The shortlisted teams then got an opportunity to present their solutions virtually to the senior management of Hero Motocorp Limited. The 10 finalists, selected from 8,000 plus participating teams, entered the grand finale, where the final war for the winning title commenced. The star-studded finale hosted a panel of decorated industry leaders, finalists from premier colleges, and an equally enthralled audience. The newly appointed Chief Operating Officer and CHRO Michael Clark was excited to bear witness to the groundbreaking ideas the young guns had come up with.
So excited to see the 10 teams in action today. This started back in 2015 under his leadership, but it's grown to a session now in 2020 where its intent and its growing intent is to have all of the premier business schools and engineering schools participate. And you saw all the metrics, 35,000, 11,000 plus people, 1,700 campuses. I mean, there's such a level of engagement. It's outstanding. And today, I think we're going to see some outstanding presentations. And I know you've been through a grueling process to get to this point. The rigor's been outstanding in terms of even getting to the quizzes going back right at the beginning. You may remember them, 8,000 plus people went through that. And the virtual presentations, that we had 60. So we're now down to the top 10. It's great. It's an exciting period for you all. And from that, there's been some real good examples, and even last season's winners, the actual project that they presented, and I think it was IIT Madras, I think it was the team, if I remember well. That is already being implemented in terms of our Hero Connect 1.0. So these are real life key projects that are going to make a difference. Our values at Hero Motocorp are create, collaborate, and inspire. And over the next few hours, I hope we're going to see so much inspiration from the 10 teams. So excited.
Problem statement 1 was based on electric mobility. The future of mobility relies heavily on electric mobility, among other factors, which will help build a strong foundation for e-vehicles. A shift in paradigm this big needs to be backed by robust strategy. Teams were asked to approach electric mobility in a holistic manner, and the teams did deliver. Team Stempade from IMI Delhi and Team The Crusaders from IIT Madras took charge and delivered ideas that left the jury bewildered.
It was really a pleasure being a part of this event. And honestly speaking, the students were from engineering colleges. I am from a B school. And I'm really impressed with the kind of technical details these students had in their presentations. Really impressive.
Problem statement 2 was based on application and data. Data is the new oil, and oil runs everything. With the mission to revolutionize the future of mobility, HMCL gave teams the task of best leveraging a phone app and data. A crowd favorite among Gen Z, the teams made sure they hit the mark with this one. Team Vikings from IIM Visakhapatnam and Team Excalibur from BITS Pilani Goa campus delivered slick ideas for this buzzing problem statement.
It is really like a very, very enriching experience, the way the ideas are coming in, the way comprehensively the things have been thought of. And what we always talk about is that the student should be future ready. They should be aware of the disruption coming in, particularly in the business and the technologies. And that exactly gets reflected through this campus challenge. So, in a way, the Hero Campus Challenge is a platform which is preparing these students to be future ready. And so that whenever they will be entering into the industries or any kind of business, or for that matter, anything related to the growth of the country, whenever they will be coming in with this, their education completion and joining in, definitely they will be hit the ground running. That is what I feel.
Hero has made a dent in the premium segment of two-wheelers with its bikes and merchandising, including one of its kind rally kit. The teams here had the tall task of building a strategy for the market leaders to best cater to its audience. Team R2D3 from IIFT and Team Cookie Monster from SRM University got their swag and owned it with groundbreaking approach to the merchandising game.
As a jury member, we had a really hard time to choose the first and the second out of the 5 finalists. It was, I would say, that kind of the people who were actually working the 5 finalists were in the verge of what you call that between 19 and 20 scale. Between that 1 to 20 scale, they were between 19 and 20.
Digital is the way forward, and with this year's theme of Ideate the Future, a problem statement on the Hero customer app was something that the teams were looking forward to. With multiple online properties, the teams had to fine-tune them to cause a greater impact and tie into the larger picture. Team Endgame from DIME IIT Kanpur and Team One Elite from JSS ATE tapped into the pulse of the problem statement and churned out strategies like pros.
Today's experience was amazing. All the 10 teams which came and made the presentation were so confident. And the way they had thought of the idea, the way they had worked on the idea or refining the idea, and of creating a strong case for their idea, that's been very impressive. We spent a lot of time going through these presentations, and the sheer energy, the sheer brilliance which came through has been amazing.
Sustainability is a topic close to HMCL's heart and remains at the core of its business. From platinum-rated world-class green manufacturing facilities to CSR initiatives that have immensely benefited large communities in many parts of the country, to initiatives across the value chain to reduce energy, carbon, water, and waste footprints, HMCL's sustainability efforts have been successful in creating and delivering value. The future has to be better, and things need to change. This problem statement called upon the champions of change to help us all live better. Team Astromech from NMIMS Mumbai and Team Arcane from VNIT came through with their promise to a more sustainable tomorrow, with their green, clean ideas.
Today's experience was really good. All 5 teams in the B team, I'm talking especially about the B team, have come out with very innovative ideas, and it was a really tough job to choose one of them as a winner. And really excited and enjoy the listening the new innovative ideas from the young minds. And there were mixed thoughts how much these guys will be knowing or team will be knowing about the what is happening in the industry. But they all surprised me. They come up with really good innovative ideas and out of box thinking. So really they surprised me, and I'm excited to be part of this today's journey. No idea is small. So think over it. Don't shy off bringing those ideas. People have brought very basic ideas like today, and they evolved and they bring it how it can be good for the environment and good for the country, good for the economy. Everything is not done for business. Something is to be done for the country also and for the mother earth.
Post the final battle, Team Astromech from NMIMS Mumbai were declared the winners of the Hero Campus Challenge Season 6 Business Track, while Team The Crusaders from IIT Madras took home the winning title for the Engineering Track. Team Endgame from DIME, IIT Kanpur and Team Arcane from VNIT Nagpur won the runners-up trophies for the business track and engineering track respectively. The 6th season of Hero Campus Challenge came to a magnificent end, leaving smiles and warmth in the hearts of all participating teams. Keeping up with its glorious legacy, the challenge seems to raise the bar a notch higher every year. With the hope to witness another season of Hero Campus Challenge soon, we wish all winners and finalists heartiest congratulations and the very best.